How to change frame rate in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I created a timeline and added a video to it. If I right-click on my timeline and go to Timelines, Timeline Settings, you can see that my timeline frame rate is set to 25. Now if I right-click on my video and select Clip Attributes, you can see that my video frame rate is set to 30. Now I want to create a 30-frame timeline and copy my video to the new timeline. Right-click in the Media pool and select Timelines, Create New Timeline. Now uncheck Use Project Settings. Then in the Format tab, set the timeline frame rate to your desired amount and click on Create button. Now double-click on the first timeline, press Ctrl+A to select everything and press Ctrl+C to copy everything. Then open the new timeline and press Ctrl+V to paste media. And now I created a timeline with my desired frame rate. And if I go to the Deliver page, you can see that frame rate is set to 30. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.